it's Teresa at the teen department, Pulaski County Public Library. Today we're looking at making pet rocks. All you're going to need is, you can get these river rocks that are just smooth like this for painting, and they got different sizes and things. And you're going to need some acrylic paint or paint pens or something like that. Brushes if you're using the brushes. If you need to, whatever you want to do. You can do a lot of things with these. They're very smooth rocks. This one I just made like a little owl on that side, and I just used some of these colors here and just outlined it with a pencil so that I'd have an outline of what the owl would look like on the rock. You could see it. And so then I just painted that on the rock, flipped it over to this side and just painted it all white and done a little cat looking over a wall. And I used some marker there for it and a little bit of pink acrylic paint. Very easy. You can make ladybugs, and they have like dog faces, and you can go on Pinterest actually and see several different ideas of what you would want to make your little pet rock. But they're cute little things you can do with these clear little river rocks. Pet rock.